Good evening, explorers.
Good evening. So we're actually staying at a resort called the International Palms Oceanfront in Cocoa Beach.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get you as best we can here. It's kind of loud at this place. We're at Mambos, which is behind the resort we're staying.
Yeah. So the reason why we're staying here is because tomorrow we set sail for 5 whole days on the Elation.
Woohoo! It's a Carnival cruise line. We'll get more in depth when we're actually on the boat.
Yeah. The reason why we're going on this cruise is because we ended up only paying $1 for each of the kids.
Mm-hmm.
So our tickets came out to less than what it would cost for 2 people to normally go on a cruise. And that included the insurance and the tip.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was like, okay, we have to do this.
Right. Yeah.
We were going to show you this hotel. We got here and no.
So we swear when we booked it, it was like 3 stars.
Yes.
And somehow while we were waiting an hour to check in because they were short-staffed,
Yes.
it seemed to have lost half a star. So we're not really sure if that was just an illusion that we saw or whatever.
This is what the hotel advertised on its website. As you can see, it's completely different than what we experienced.
Another thing that happened on our way over here was a little bit of technological difficulties.
Yeah, so the GoPro was strapped to the front of our truck.
Yep.
And it decided to come undone and go flying.
Yeah, apparently I didn't secure it hard enough or good enough or whatever, but it went flying at about 60 miles an hour, so, which...
Maybe you're not supposed to go that
you
fast.
probably aren't supposed to go that fast, so that was my bad.
So we ended up circling back around on the highway, and I did find it.
Yeah.
Everything is good with it except for the glass.
The glass around the lens is cracked.
The camera is still usable, just we have to figure out how to replace the lens.
Yeah.
So it has been the travel day from heck.
Yeah, but you know, we take it as we roll with it. We're still just extremely excited to go on the cruise tomorrow. It's supposed to get on at 10:30 tomorrow.
Yeah,
so.
I got the first reservation to get on the boat because I want to get on.
Right, exactly.
Oh, we never told them where we're going.
Yeah.
So we're actually going to the Dominican Republic and the Grand Turks. It's going to be for 5 whole days. So we're leaving Monday and we'll be back on Saturday.
Yeah, so it's a 5-night cruise, and we're gonna enjoy it, make the best that we can, and hopefully get some good videos out of it.
Hopefully. So we were looking around Cocoa Beach. It looks like a lot of fun here.
Yeah.
If you guys have ever been to Cocoa Beach, leave some comments of places because I'd like to come back.
Yeah, we will be back, and we'll tour some of the area.
Yeah.
On our way through the state of Florida too, we found a couple cute spots that we might actually end up stopping in. Well, regardless of the hotel, this Mambos smells pretty good. I would recommend trying it out.
I actually saw this online and was thinking, wow, this is great. It looks like all the pool areas in this hotel are pretty decent. It's just the rest of it that's not. Even though this hotel is not that great, we are 20 steps away from the Atlantic Ocean and we get this view. So, not too bad. I wish it was a little cleaner though.
So I got a Mai Tai, and let's see.
Is it good?
Ooh, strong.
Yeah.
It's good though.
So I, of course, got a mojito because I just love mojitos.
How's it taste?
Oh, it's delicious. But you know, after this day, like you almost need it.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
the type of day we had.
So we forgot to mention too.
Yeah. So this camera that we're recording on right now.
This is the other camera.
Yeah, this is our Hero GoPro 9.
This one has corrupt data.
Yeah. So I am using the program yet once again that I used to recover our Disney footage. it's sitting and it's actually rendering in our room right now to try to capture what it actually did for the trip. So I don't know. Again, this is the technological day from heck.
Yep. Do any of you guys have a GoPro 9, and do you have this many troubles with it? Because I swear we're constantly losing data on it.
Yeah, the 8's on me, but the 9, this thing just constantly, randomly just goes,
Right.
all right, your SD card's corrupt. And then we're like, what do we do? All right, well, here's to better luck. And I'm telling you what, after 2 cameras are down, this is my 3rd camera. This thing right here had better survive. Because I don't know what I'm going to do without it.
Guess you're not going to see this then.
All right. Okay, explorers, I think this is where we're going to leave you.
Yep, we're back at the room now. As you can see, this is what $100 in Cocoa Beach gets you.
Yeah, just kind of give you a little,
Apparently not so
glance
much.
around the room. Like that, kids are eating their pub subs right now. So, but it's not really, I mean, if it's all you can afford, I'm not going to knock it or anything like that. It definitely is a 2.5-star hotel.
Yes.
But
it was 3 when I ordered it.
Yeah. Oh well, I mean, it's not about the journey, it's about the destination, right?
Right.
I mean, it did get us to stay over here a night, and it was relatively cheap since we are going to be getting on a cruise tomorrow.
Yep. Rather spend the money on the cruise than on the hotel here.
Yeah. And while we are waiting,
Oh.
let's just hope that this thing actually recovered the files that it said it was going to.
Here's the door. Oh, and
Yeah. So, and then we'll just give you a glimpse. We've already peeled out the glass, but
apparently the glass comes out of here.
yeah.
And we saw it's relatively easy. Once you peel off the glass, you just pop another glass in. So
Yeah. So
we're gonna try to fix it. Yep. This will be the on top of the car from now on camera.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty much what it is, and I gotta just make sure I don't put it anywhere on a highway where we're gonna be going faster than 45. So,
but all right, let's go get our pajamas on and get to bed.
Yeah, we got a
early-
long day tomorrow, and it's an early day.
And
So,
we'll see you sailing tomorrow.
yep, keep exploring, and we'll see you on the waters.
Oh yeah, we'll see you on the waters.